All right, folks, your lesson this week is called Warm Wishes because we're leading into the holiday season. Your learning targets, we're doing some literary enjoyment and just some keyboard comfort. Your agenda today, we're doing a story. Everyone has to take the survey. Please take your time because it will affect the books that come into the center. You'll have some choice time and then we'll go to checkout. So to get to the survey, you're going to go to Destiny, and then from Destiny, look down at Survey. Take your time. It does matter. Your choices. You can do computer. You know what you're allowed to do on there. You may go to coloring/drawing. You may create a large snowflake with me. It takes time and you may not finish. You may read by the fire. Notice fires in air quotes. That'll be up here. And then if you want, you may experiment with the Ozobots. And we will all check out anyone who does not have books out. And we'll work on creating some of the mosaic that's out in the hallway. The expectations, your voice level will be a 1. It's a whisper voice, no matter where you are today. Please walk, and no more than 5 people at any station at a time, other than computers, of course.